Hey everybody, my name is Sean Seymour and I do videos about photography and about technology, and I am going to give you some tips on what you can do for picture day if you're about to have your pictures taken. This video is a 3-minute long highlight video of everything that you should be considering. If you're interested, there is a link in the description below that will give you the full list. You can click on that and get the whole list of what you should consider before picture day. For you photographers out there, please feel free to download that list and hand it out to your clients as well. Let's go ahead and get into this 3-minute video highlighting all the things that you need to think about.
So you have a photo shoot coming up and you're not sure what to do. Let me give you these tips and suggestions. Clothing and jewelry. This is a great time to keep it simple, avoid patterns and prints, think textures, solids, and for slimming, dark. Pet owners, please use a lint roller or some other way to remove pet hair, and remember, when you drive to the shoot, your vehicle has probably got pet hair in it. V-necks are great with a single necklace and earrings. Form-fitting is better than billowy. Hair and makeup. Again, keep it simple. Your pictures will be better if you are comfortable. Bring your mirror, makeup, and a comb or brush to the shoot. You never know when you'll want to touch up. No makeup with glitter in it. That includes cover-up, blush, eyeshadow, etc. The lighting makes glitter look like small white dots. If it's hot or you have naturally oily skin, consider a powder or dampening cloth to help with the glossy skin. Thick makeup can hide imperfections, but keep in mind that it will cake and create creases over time. You may want to touch up halfway through. Mascara, please brush the clumps and wipe off the black flecks. Avoid new makeup or lotions before your shoot. You don't want to break out on photo day. Wash your hair the night before and moisturize it. Always avoid dry shampoos before photo day. It looks like dandruff to the camera. If you have temporary skin blotches, consider using a natural looking cover-up that matches your skin tone. It will help even out your skin. Skin, lips, and nails. Try not to pick. Pimples can be covered with makeup and edited. Large patches of red, irritated skin are much harder. Moisturize 2 to 3 times on photo day. Guys, this goes for you too. Exfoliate skin 2 days before the photo shoot and moisturize until the shoot. Skin treatment should be a minimum of 2 to 3 days before photo day. You don't want to show up with irritated skin. At the shoot, check for dry skin again. Moisturize. Are you starting to see a pattern? Lipstick, lip gloss, and chapstick. Dry lips are a photo day no-no, and guys, this goes for you too. If your hands will show, moisturize, trim, and clean your nails. Also, touch up nail polish. Here's some other suggestions. If you eat before the shoot, please brush. No need to whiten. That's done in editing. If you're wearing a sleeveless or shorts or a bikini, and if it's your style, remember to shave or wax. Waxing should be done several days before the shoot to allow your skin to relax. Tight clothing leaves impressions on your skin. If you're shooting something like swimsuits, fitness, etc., wear loose clothing on photo day and change into your outfit at the shoot. Skin doesn't recover for several hours after wearing things like bras, panties, and tight clothing. Make sure to do a quick check in the mirror before you start shooting. Look at skin, teeth, nose, and eyes for anything out of place, especially those nose hairs. Woo! Drink lots of water and try to stay away from alcohol on photo day. Alcohol tends to make people red and flush. It may help with the nerves, but try to hold the party until after your shoot.
Hey everybody, well, I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to click on the link below and download the full list if you're interested in that. If you did find this video helpful, please hit that subscribe and like button down below. And in the meantime, my friend, keep it simple.